What's up, J Squad? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're already following me on Instagram, you must have seen my bike, and if you aren't, I'll put the link to my page in the description below. Please do go ahead and check it out. And now let's move on and see what all changes I have made to my bike. So the first thing I put was the knuckle guard from Blockbusters. These are really strong and will definitely protect your hand and livers during crash. This is how it looks. It also makes your bike look amazing. So the second thing is the visor. This is from Bandit Pit Stop, and it costed me around 4,500 plus 80 rupees for shipping. This is actually pretty good, and it protects you from the wind blast during highway rides. It's a little shaky, but yeah, it does the job. Moving on, the top box which I've installed is from Shard. This is the SH42. Yeah, I wanted to install the 39, but then it was kind of small and I wasn't able to fit two full-size helmets in it. So yeah, I put the SH42, and you can easily fit two full-size helmets without any problem. Currently I have kept the raincoat inside. Yeah, it's rainy season, so yes. So that's that. The actual price of this is around 10,000, but there was some discount of 3, so I got it for 7,000, and I had to put this plate as well, which costed me around 3,000, so the total was around 10. Yeah, it's kind of dirty because there's no mudguard for this bike. Next we have the saddle stay from Hepco. This costed me around 10,000 rupees, and this is how it looks from behind. It makes the bike look really big and also looks pretty cool from behind. So for the final touch, I have put these stickers. So you'll not get this online, you'll have to get it done in your nearest store. So what I did was I showed them an image from Google, and they got this done for me. It's not perfect, but it's alright. It costed me around 1k. So you must be wondering why I haven't put the engine guard yet. That's because I haven't found one in silver color. Hepco has it, but it costs around 31,000 if I'm not wrong, and they don't have it in silver. So I spoke to a person who makes custom engine guard. He has quoted me around 26,000 for the silver version. But the only thing is that I'll have to leave my bike there for 3 days, and I haven't found time yet. So once I get time, I'll put the engine guards, and that's it. My bike is good to go. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.